We're at Union Station and there is a ton of people out here for National Train Day. The Clackamas County Tourism thing.
How are you?
Good. You're a little out of your territory here.
I'm a little bit out of Clackamas. You're right.
Yeah. Well, I take it, are you trying to get people to go to Clackamas?
Yeah, to Clackamas, Mount Hood, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how you got your trunk or whatever that is up there.
Oh yeah. It's great.
Yeah, looks nice. And we're looking for Eric Halstead to see if he might have already gone off. How you guys doing?
Pretty good. Good crowd today.
Who all do you have out here?
Hi.
Who all do you have out here?
Oh, the various organizations. Cinco that starts over there. There's some bicycle groups around, our road groups.
No, I'm saying you have like Jim Howell.
Different organizations.
Do you have Jim Howell and whoever out here?
Jim Howell?
Yeah.
He's running around. I don't know where he's getting around.
I'll find him.
They might want to check out where we're trying to.
I'll find him.
Bugging them.
That's why.
Yeah, where are they? I'd love to do that.
That's part of why. In order to make a straight shot, they have to lift both. They have to swing span this and lift span this. And that's why you have a lot of friction.
Yeah.
That's that S maneuver.
How's it going?
I'm hungry. I'm tired.
You only got about 3 more hours to go. We are selling So do you have timetables for Oregon and whatnot?
Yes, we do have a few.
Oh, there you go.
But it's kind of funny. We got the guy who runs the train, Jeff, up there, said that once in a while they'll get 200, 250 wedding invitations.
Wow.
People will drop off the whole wedding invitation to have it stamped by the post by our.
But could you have the wedding on the train? Could you charter the train and?
They probably could do something.
Yeah.
If they wanted to do something.
Yeah. Oh, that is nice. Oh my God, they got a ton of people out here.
Wow.
It's all filmed in high def. This one also is filmed in high def. This is the one that's being shown right now. Yeah. We watched the little trailer online. Oh, yeah.
There's but there's people inside selling videos.
Yeah, we all have stuff.
Yeah.
This supports the locomotive.
Yeah.
That's,
Yeah. Do you know if Chris Fussel's out here somewhere?
They're in the striped shirt.
Him?
No, the wife with the camera.
Oh. Huh?
Get your arms on me.
Come on, man.
I love that now.
So you're Chris Fussell?
Yeah.
I'm Jason.
Jacob McCuff?
Yeah.
Okay, I got your park over
Yeah.
by the parking garage.
Okay. It's nice to finally meet you. I've heard about you, whatever.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people out here.
Where are you parked?
I just live right over there. Right? Well, you can't see it,
Oh,
but
you live
know.
over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, have you seen the webcam?
You live where?
Right? You can't see it, right?
Oh, the Steel Bridge webcam.
Yes.
I thought that was from with the ODOT.
No.
You live there. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just give you the print. And
That's
then
okay.
Get rid of them.
Yeah. But if you got other stuff to put on the website still, I'd be willing to do that.
What?
Other stuff you want to put on my website, I'd be willing to do that.
Oh, I kind of got out of it.
Yeah, I heard that.
Hey, Steve. Steve. No, we can do credit card. Steve. Thank you, sir. Might be a little busy, but go ahead. Would you wear it?
Hey.
Uh-oh. I got your name.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. Arian and or Dave.
Yeah.
Great. I'm John.
Oh, John?
You guys keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Hey, look at me.
How you guys doing? Everybody having fun?